Okay, so I'm looking in my fridge and I'm seeing food that's rotting. Is that a proper word? Rotting? Rotting. Because, you know, we have 4 fridges and things get lost all the time. So anyway, we have pizza dough. So I figured, what kind of pizza can I make today on the Pizza Artist? So we always have pizza dough. So there's pizza dough. I have these tomatoes that are rotting. I have these avocados that I don't even know if they're edible. I don't know if, look, they're gross. I have prosciutto that I found in the fridge. And I ain't kidding you. I don't even know how long it's been in there for. There's some baby, take it off, move it. You're so stupid. If it's boiling, you just take it off.
I didn't know.
Oh, baby Ava. Baby Ava's cooking something at the same time. Here, look what baby Ava did.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that mess she made.
Where's the paper towel?
Okay, try not to get burnt. Oh, baby Ava. That looks gross. I can't believe it. All right, so back to the Pizza Artist. So we got baby arugula. Look at this wilted baby arugula, prosciutto, green olives. I don't know, and some tomato sauce. I don't even know when it's from. So I hate wasting food, and I love pizza. So today, why not? I'm gonna make an avocado, prosciutto, arugula pizza, and on the dough, I'm gonna put tomato sauce, cheese. We're gonna cut some of these little tomatoes. We'll put the green olives. We'll bake it, and then we'll put the prosciutto, avocado, baby arugula, and we're gonna put some. You know what I'm talking about, balsamic vinegar. All right, let's rock and roll. We'll see you soon. Hope you enjoy this pizza. I don't know if it's even gonna come out good. Let's see.
Oh, it's still good.
How bad is it?
It's pretty bad.
Okay, save whatever you can. That's what this pizza's all about. Ghetto pizza. It's like saving everything. You guys just like to waste stuff in the fridge. Okay, do your best. Do your best. I'm stretching out the dough, and we'll be back. Okay, so I went against the green olives, which didn't make sense. I found black olives. I don't know how long they were in the fridge for, but I used them. How long do you think they've been in the fridge for, Ava?
Month.
1 month's not bad. 1 month's not bad. Okay, so we put the little tomatoes, grown in Canada. Black olives, we'll say they're from Canada too, why not? So black olives, tomatoes, cheese. We're gonna bake it. Then we're gonna put avocado, prosciutto, avocado, baby arugula, and then let's throw some goat cheese. What do you think of that, Ava? We have it rotten. It's going bad in the fridge, so we might as well use it. So far, so good. Let's do this. Okay, so first things first, let's put some prosciutto. What do you think of that? So I baked the pizza first with all that stuff. Then I'm gonna put this prosciutto on top like this. It's Capolo prosciutto from Costco. It's not my particular favorite prosciutto in the world, but today it's gonna do. So prosciutto. Okay. Like that. We'll put one more slice. Make a mess on the floor. It would be good if I had the screen flipped the other way so I can actually see what I'm recording. There we go. All right, so papa, prosciutto. Now, avocado. Okay. Avocado. It's not the best avocado in the world. I couldn't use the other one, it was too gross. I had to get the fresh one. And, well, I started, so now I can't go back. So the avocado's not ripe, but at least it's not rotted like the other one was. It's just to give you an idea of what you can make. You know, something different. When people come over, you don't want the same old boring stuff all the time. So there you go, prosciutto, avocado. We'll stick some baby arugula on top. Oh, look at that. Just like that. We're gonna get some goat cheese. All right, come on, goat cheese. Yes. Just like that. Nice goat cheese on top. I love goat cheese on pizza. A little bit more. I love it so much. Okay. Goat cheese. Yes. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so looks good, right? Got arugula, goat cheese, prosciutto, avocado, little baby tomatoes, black olives. Now we're gonna finish it off with unico. Oh, there you go. All right, well, you know what I'm talking about. Unico balsamic glaze. Just like this. And prosciutto avocado pizza is done. All right, we got our pizza. Don't forget to subscribe. Help me get to 300 subscribers at least by the end of the month. Let's go, guys. Help the pizza artist out. That way I can keep making videos like this for you to enjoy. And come up with your own creation. If you like this, oh my God, if you like the way it sounds, let's try it. The prosciutto and the goat cheese goes good together no matter what. The arugula tastes great. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. The avocado could have been a little bit more ripe, a little bit better, but hey, my sauce is great. And the little baby tomatoes that we found in the fridge, I don't know how old they were, they're great too. All in all, it's a good pizza. So the prosciutto, avocado, pizza is a success. If you want to try something different for your family and friends when they come over, try it on your own. Something different. Pretty good.